You see all them belts.
Of a much anticipated rematch.
I ain't
12
playing.
rounds of heavyweight action. Great atmosphere here tonight. You talk to everybody ringside, and they expect this one to be a barn burner.
Just bobbing my head to the music.
Making his way
I ain't
to
got
the
to
ring
show
with a
out.
determined giddy up in his step.
They want what I got.
Mike Tyson, so alert right now. I mean, look at his focus as he makes that walk that so many fighters dread. But he makes that walk down to the ring just so very alert.
Y'all know what time it is, man.
In the blue corner, Base. Here's that person.
Mike Tyson.
Okay, guys, we went over the rules in the dressing room. Let's touch gloves.
And we are under a single fight of his career has ended with
Yeah, I'm fighting Mike, bro.
and his opponent down and out.
Every one of his fights is like a fire drill. I mean, the bell goes off, and bang, he's rushing to that fire once you start the fire.
Very.
I took the belt from him last night, so you know he's gonna be mad.
Why is the hook, when done properly and when landed really well, one of the most dangerous punches in all of boxing?
Because the fighter who's fighting doesn't see it coming. You know, requires good peripheral vision. It's coming from the side, not right down the middle. It's not coming in that front door. And when it hits you and you don't see it coming, it is devastating.
And now just wasting away some time with that clinch. Hurricane's defense is now serving him well.
I got it.
Blocking that punch. Double jab upstairs.
Hit that like button, hit that subscribe, hit the share button. King_Julian7982.
Down low. Hurricane's just punching air that time. His opponent was able to get out of the way. Good jab by Hurricane. Wow, what an uppercut. Comes right back at him with a left hand. Mike Tyson, good use of the jab. Blocks that punch.
Let go, Hurricane. Let's see what the card girl got on. Card girl said. He getting tired too already, man. All them haymakers he trying to throw. The card girl black this time. Card girl said round 2. The card girl said.
Relax, you're okay.
Look at Mike Tyson. Look at me.
He caught you with your hands down.
Card girl said round 2. I ain't playing my legacy right now. So, well, yes I am. I just didn't go through all the progressions. I'm tired of doing all the copyright reviews on. He tried to hit me with that uppercut.
Unable to score with the uppercut that time. Clinches when he gets to the inside. Scores up top with the left.
Let go, Hurricane.
For that hard work he did in training camp there, landing a crisp combination. Not the most accurate uppercut we'll see. Good job protecting himself. He just looks exhausted to me right now. Tyson's accuracy is non-existent. This guy cannot punch.
All you gotta do is block, man.
No, but what this shows, he's missing so many
Block,
shots. We
just
always
block
think about the damage done when they land. This is showing you.
What a shot! Big hook comes in. Oh, Tyson's hurt there. Tyson is hurt, Teddy, and he's going to hold on.
He's going to hold on. He's going to try to survive. But the most important thing is he's got to clear those cobwebs. I don't just mean physically.
Oh, he is stunned. He could go down.
I got my punches and stuff way up. I'm way up there in my legacy now, so he better. My fighter is better. 29-0. Trying to beat 30-0. Gotta beat this beast in front of me.
Nice work, the left hand to the head.
Appreciate y'all for joining the stream. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the share button. Double tap on the screen, man. Show me love. Go check out my sponsor, Beyond the Tangles. Go subscribe to our YouTube. Check out our website, tanglesandbeyond.com. Type in Julian Bates 15 at the checkout for a 15% discount. The car girl says round what? Is it 3? Is it round 3 yet? The car girl said. At least the car girl got some clothes on. Hit that like button. Appreciate it, Chris.
All the eyes are on him to start this round. Mike Tyson's legs look just a little shaky, but keep in mind, he barely survived that last round.
No, but keep one other thing in mind. I agree with you, Joe, but he's been here before. He's very experienced. If anyone
I'm doing the old rope-a-dope, Muhammad Ali. Getting him tired, bro. He's so tired, look.
With that headshot. Keep moving. Bates got to do something. This is ridiculous. He's not doing anything. Tyson clamped down by a left hand. He got rocked. He just got rocked, and he's still taking punches.
The only way right now is to grab on a little bit, stop this flow.
Bates is putting forth a great combination there. Mike Tyson's impressing the judges and himself with that right hand.
Let's go, Hurricane.
He is
Woo!
damaged badly there.
Let's go, Hurricane. Let's protect them belts. I got 3 of them.
Oh, that's a good hook to the body. A piercing jab by Bates. And there's the left hand working well for him again. He is in good shape. He could be on the deck in moments.
Let go, Hurricane. Hit that body.
Stunned, and he cannot block this onslaught. Zoning in on that gut combination punch downstairs.
I don't know nothing about the bunny hop, man.
You see him holding on. Final 10 seconds.
Let go, Hurricane. Take your time, bro. Take your time.
And this round comes to an end.
Appreciate y'all for joining the stream. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe, hit the share button. Check out my sponsor, Beyond the Tangles. Go subscribe to our YouTube. Check out our website, www.tanglesandbeyond.com. Type in Julian Bates 15 at the checkout for a 15% discount.
You're good, all right?
No, he ain't. He ain't good. Quit lying to him.
Threw a wide punch and he caught you. So tighten up your punches, all right?
I am, Dave.
It's clear to see that it's his precise punching that has earned him good grades on your scorecard, Teddy. With all that accuracy, clean, effective punching, he's up 3 rounds to 0.
Yeah, I'm starting to wonder if he went to medical school because he's been a surgeon tonight.
Left hook, right hand, well done, especially to the body.
I'm gonna try to get him. I'm gonna try to get him, Jay.
Mike Tyson's in there clinching more now, it seems, Teddy. Is it me, or do you think he's clinching more after being hurt earlier?
Oh!
You know, when you pull slowly, you can do that right there. Tyson,
Boom! Damn! Boom! One more time for the one timer. Wow! In the corner with it. He'll get up. He tough.
From a knockdown, but what we really want to look for is how he reacts in the coming moments of this fight. That's a razor-sharp uppercut by Bates. He engages in the clinch. Halfway through this round here. Wow, nice flush left hand.
Come on with it, Mike.
Those wobbly legs of Mike Tyson are steady.
But now the question is whether or not his opponent has found something that will work. Found something that will get those legs unsteady once again.
Oh, that's a big shot with the left hand.
Stay with him. Keep moving.
Stick and move. Stick and move. Stick and move.
That's a good probing jab that time by Hurricane. Bates is giving us something to think about early on in this fight here, but his opponent has even more to think about. He has established the jab already.
Yes, he has established the jab, and now his opponent has to think about it.
Oh, he is stuck.
Stick and move, baby.
Not one, but two. Good work with the jab up top. Mike Tyson's concern right now has to be...
Ooh, I'm getting all my energy back. Woo, let's go, man.
Yeah, you're absolutely right, Joe, but I think his concern goes back a long time. The habits that he learned and didn't learn in the gym. Because that's why he's getting caught with all these shots that have him in his position.
Let go, Hurricane. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe and the share button. The car girl said round 5. The car girl said, yeah, round 5, bro. Let's get it.
As he starts this fresh round, coming off a round in which he was knocked down, we often look at his legs. Mike Tyson's hurt by a big shot.
My damn jab turned all the way up.
Being low. He's desperate, so he ties up his opponent.
My legacy, man, get them points. You can make your fighter be whatever you want him to be.
Tyson's banged up by a left hand. Good job. It was sudden, it was fast, it was direct by Hurricane. Tyson showing a little bit of a defensive shell, but Teddy, I'm seeing punches still getting through and splitting that guard.
Yeah, well, that's the problem, Joe.
Oh, Mike Tyson, a bad boy. Boom. Then hit him with a little bit of elbow. Boop. Hi. One more time for the one time. Boop. Dooku. Elbow to the nose. Ooh, elbow to the nose. Oh, he mad too, look. Don't get mad.
Tyson rises up after going down here today. Not able to land the headshot. He is damaged badly there there, he may hit the floor. He turned things around, and now his opponent has to be asking himself questions.
Yeah, he's got to be.
Mike Tyson's pegged by a left hand. And there's a clinch after clearly being damaged.
And a clinch that he needed very badly.
Tyson's been hurt by that shot. Knock him out! Great work offensively, landing that combination by Bates. Hurricanes beat Mike Tyson's back by a left hand. Kenny, I think he's going to go down. I think he's going to go down after getting tagged right there.
He doesn't know where to go. He's like a guy that's caught in a hailstorm. He's trying to get to the other side of the street, but he just doesn't know where it is now.
Yes, sir. Jump up and down, Hurricane. You deserve it.
Last round has a certain tone in that corner that every trainer wants. They are bubbling with confidence. They know they can go out and accomplish things again.
Appreciate y'all for joining the stream. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, the share button. The card girl says round 6. Go check out our website, tanglesandbeyond.com. Type in Julian Bates 15 at the checkout for a 15% discount. That's my sponsor, and that's how I keep playing these video games. Let's go, man. Appreciate y'all for joining. Round 6, man. Round 6. It's over with, bro.
Start of a new round, but will it be much the same? Tyson's been down numerous times tonight.
Well, if there was a mercy rule like there is in Little League Baseball, guess what? It would be invoked right now, and this would be over.
How about that left right there? Big shot.
It's over with.
Been there before.
It's over. It's over.
You can't afford to keep going on that floor.
It's over, Mike. Don't get up, Mike.
And stop it.
Don't get up, Mike. Please don't get up. Mike got the line and everything. Over with. He finna get up, man. That boy bad, man.
Mike Tyson's able to get up. Kenny, I question, though, if he'll be able to go on. What does he have to do?
Well, they know what to do, but what not to do. Don't use your legs. Don't try to move because that's the inclination. Get on your bicycle when you've been hurt. No, the bicycle's not there. You got flat tires. What you got to do is grab on the inside, clear your head.
Bates is really impressing us here. Defensively impressing us. I mean, it's so easy to say, wow, look, Tyson's really
I told him not to get up.
Taking a bit
I told him not to get up.
Just tying up, hugging his opponent at this point.
Hey, look, he's in a great race.
Boom, left hand.
Don't get up, Mike. Don't get up, Mike.
Now I know where they got that saying. Falling like a sack of potatoes.
Man, hit that like button, hit that subscribe, hit the share button, man. Appreciate it, the monk at 636. Appreciate y'all, man. It's over. Yeah, I'm good, Monk. How you doing, man?
Mike Tyson's a knockout victim. He couldn't beat the count.
Let go, Hurricane. Watch it. Watch I get my belts back. Yeah. Fight night, baby. Appreciate y'all for joining. I'm gonna play. I'm gonna play two football games. I gotta get ready for work, man. But I appreciate y'all for joining the stream and watching me on this title defense. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the share button, hit that notification button so you can get the upcoming fights. Appreciate y'all, man. I'ma holler at y'all. Peace.